Are you ready to unlock a world where tasks are automated, decisions are data-driven, and your potential knows no bounds? In this video, we're diving into the transformative power of AI and revealing how you can leverage it to skyrocket your productivity today. Welcome to Tech AI Brain, your ultimate guide through the digital revolution. Created by IT Samurai Teacher, we take complex tech and make it crystal clear. Our mission: to empower you with the knowledge to build, innovate, and stay ahead in AI, machine learning, and emerging technologies. What is Leverage AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is like a superpowered brain that helps you do things way faster, smarter, and better. It's all about using cool tech to make your life easier and more productive. So whether you're a busy professional, a creative genius, or an ambitious student, get ready to discover how AI can change your life for the better. No. 1. AI-powered task automation. One of the coolest ways to use AI is by automating those boring and repetitive tasks that eat up your time. Think about it. Wouldn't it be awesome if you could have an AI-powered assistant that handles all that tedious stuff so you can focus on more important things? Well, good news. It's already possible thanks to tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot. These handy tools can connect different apps and services together to create powerful automation. For example, you can have an AI-powered system that automatically sorts your emails, enters data into spreadsheets, and schedules your social media posts. It is like having a personal assistant, except it's an AI assistant and it never takes a break. Now, 2. AI for smart time management. Time management is a big challenge for many of us, but thanks to AI-powered tools like Motion, Reclaim, and Calendly, it doesn't have to be. These AI assistants can help you schedule meetings, optimize your calendar, and even send reminders, all with just a few clicks. AI can analyze your availability, consider time zones, and find the best time for your meetings. Plus, it can also learn from your preferences and adapt to your changing schedule. Imagine having an AI-powered calendar that not only keeps you organized, but also helps you make the most of your time. It's like having a personal secretary, except it's an AI secretary and it's available 24/7. No. AI for content creation and writing. If you're into writing, creating content, or doing any kind of creative work, then you'll love what AI has in store for you. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy. AI can help you write blog posts, scripts, and marketing materials in no time. AI can generate ideas, create outlines, and even write full-fledged articles, all based on your input. And the best part is that AI-powered writing tools are constantly learning and improving, which means you'll always have access to fresh and innovative content. Plus, other tools like Grammarly and Notion AI can help you write better and faster too. With AI by your side, you'll be able to create high-quality content that engages your audience and drives results. No. For AI in data analysis and decision-making. In today's data-driven world, making informed decisions is crucial for success. But let's be honest, analyzing tons of data and turning it into useful insights can be a daunting task. That's where AI comes to the rescue. With AI-powered tools like Tableau, Powered by, and Google Analytics AI, you'll be able to process big data in no time. These tools can help you visualize data, identify patterns, and make predictions based on historical trends. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or a data analyst, AI-driven data analysis and decision-making can help you stay ahead of the curve and make informed choices that drive results. No. 5. AI for personal and team productivity. Taking notes during meetings or brainstorming sessions can be time-consuming and challenging, but not anymore. Thanks to AI-powered note-taking tools like Otter AI, Notion AI, and Microsoft Copilot, you can capture ideas and insights in real time. These tools can transcribe audio recordings, summarize key points, and even generate action items, all with just a few clicks. Plus, they can also help you organize your thoughts, structure your notes, and share them with your team members seamlessly. Whether you're attending a lecture, a workshop, or a team meeting, AI-powered note-taking tools can help you stay focused, be more productive, and never miss a beat. Leveraging AI for smarter email and communication management. Email management can be a struggle, but AI-powered tools like Superhuman, Gmail AI, and Outlook AI can help you sort, prioritize, and respond to emails more efficiently. These tools can filter emails, summarize long threads, and even suggest responses, saving you valuable time and reducing distractions. Plus, they can also help you manage your inbox, set reminders, and track important emails, all with ease. Whether you're a business professional or a communication-heavy role, AI-driven email and communication management can help you stay on top of your inbox and keep your productivity levels high. Don't forget to check out our platform for more AI tips and tricks. We've got you covered. Leverage AI for personalized learning and skill development. Learning new skills or brushing up on existing ones doesn't have to be a daunting task. AI-powered learning platforms like Khan Academy AI, Duolingo, and Coursera AI tutors can help you learn at your own pace. Customize your learning experience and get personalized feedback. These platforms use AI algorithms to tailor learning paths to your individual needs and goals, making the learning process more efficient and effective. Whether you want to learn a new language, master a subject, or develop a new skill, AI-powered learning and development tools can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. Leverage AI for business, automation, and growth. For businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve, AI-driven marketing automation tools like ClickUp AI and Zapier can help streamline processes, improve efficiency, and drive growth. These tools can automate repetitive tasks, provide data-driven insights, and personalize customer experiences, allowing businesses to focus on innovation and strategic initiatives. AI-powered chatbots are transforming customer support by providing instant, personalized assistance and resolving issues quickly. Platforms like ChatGPT API, Drift, and Intercom offer AI chatbot solutions that can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, understand complex queries, and escalate issues to human agents when necessary. These AI-driven customer support tools can improve customer satisfaction, reduce wait times, and provide consistent support across channels. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you've enjoyed this eye-opening journey into the world of AI and its incredible potential to skyrocket your productivity. The future of AI is brimming with exciting trends and advancements that are sure to shape the way we work and live. One thing is for sure, AI is here to stay, and its impact on our lives will only continue to grow. So don't wait. Start leveraging AI today and join the growing number of individuals and businesses that are harnessing its power to achieve their goals and unlock their full potential. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the exciting world of AI, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep learning, stay curious, and embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead.